that not everything was done to save the Liberian man's life.
He didn't get that kid. The kid he deserved like everybody else in America did.
Duncan's nephew tells Outfront that it's suspicious that all the white patients survived and this one black patient passed away. He wasn't given a chance.
He came and explained to them he came from Liberia and he had all of the symptoms that would indicate he might have had Ebola. And they sent him home.
Texas Health Presbyterian Hospital officials say that Thomas Eric Duncan was treated like any other patient, regardless of nationality and ability to pay for care. The hospital says it also has a long history of treating a multicultural community in this area. Duncan's family says the hospital took too long to give the Ebola patient experimental medicine that might have helped save him. Presbyterian hospital officials say the investigative drug was administered as soon as his physicians determined that his condition warranted it, and as soon as it could be obtained. But hospital officials didn't ask for permission to use the experimental drug until 5 days after Duncan was admitted and 3 days after he'd tested positive for Ebola.
There's going to be a lot of evaluations to take place.
Texas state health officials are considering a formal investigation into Duncan's treatment, but a top federal official says despite the initial missteps by the hospital, criticism of Duncan's medical team isn't fair.
They provided excellent medical care. I think people need to appreciate that even under the best of circumstances, Ebola is a very serious disease. In this particular epidemic, with an overall mortality of a bit more than 50%.
Duncan died with family members unable to get anywhere near him.
The last words that Eric Duncan said were said to a nurse. She asked him what he wanted, and he said he wanted to see his son.
The morning Duncan died, he was supposed to speak with his son over a video line, but time ran out. The call was never made. Ed Lavendera, CNN, Dallas.
So many questions surrounding Duncan's death. 4,000 people so far have died.